Welcome back. 12th Science, English, First Language, Flamingo, Unit 6, The Rat Trap, Summary Part 2. Friends, we had started the summary. Afterwards, we had to go through examination-oriented revision. Now we are resuming the summary part 2. We had gone through the summary that the rat trap seller was a peddler, hawker, and was a very poor man. All of a sudden, he realized that the whole world is a big rat trap, and we all are trapped mice. And he also decided not to be fascinated by the worldly pleasure and keep himself away from the trap. But when he was going from one town to another, out of the town there was a farm, and there he met a person, and he took their night shelter. And there the person showed him the pouch full of money which he had received by selling milk. Now, further, he smashed the pan, the rat trap, peddler, smashed the pan, and stole the money. He thought it was not safe for a thief to go on a public highway. So he went into the jungle. So he went into the jungle. He walked and walked, but could not find a way to go out to get out of the jungle. He was tired. He thought the forest was a red trap and he was the trapped mouse. He thought he was hungry and tired. He thought his end was near. He lay down to die. He lay down to die. He heard thumping of hammer strokes. He knew that there was Ramsjo Ironworks near the forest. He stood up and walked in the direction of the sound. In the direction of the sound. He entered the ironworks. The owner saw him he felt sure that he felt sure that the rat trap peddler was one of his old regimental comrades. Captain Von Stable. He invited the peddler to go home with him for Christmas. But the peddler thought that it was risky to accept the invitation. Friends, the summary is still continued, but considering the limitation of the board, we just explain this much of the summary. The red trap peddler smashed the pen and stole the money. He had taken night shelter at a farmhouse, and the man there had showed him a pouch full of money and frankly said that it was the collection of milk selling. So, in the morning, the peddler went away, but afterward he returned. At that time, the farmhouse was locked. He smashed the pen and stole the money. He thought it was not safe for a thief to go on a public highway because he was a poor man, his clothes were shabby, so anyone can doubt him, and this much money with him. So anyone can doubt him as a thief. So he thought that it was not safe for a thief to go on a public highway. So he went into the jungle. He walked and walked, but could not find a way to get out of the jungle. He walked in a circular way, but could not find a way to get out of the jungle. He was tired by walking and walking. He thought that the forest was a rat trap and he was trapped rat. He thought that forest was a rat trap and he was a trapped rat. He could not go out of the forest. He was hungry and tired. He was hungry and tired. He thought his end was near. He thought his end was near. He lay down to die. He laid down in the jungle to die peacefully. He heard thumping of hammers, strokes. Someone is striking the hammer on something, and in the peaceful forest, this thumping could be heard to a long distance. He heard thumping of hammer strokes. He knew that Ramjo Ironworks near the forest. He did not know the way. He did not know the way how to come out of the jungle. But he knew that at the opposite end there was a factory named Ramjo Ironworks. He stood up and walked in the direction of the sound. He stood up and he walked in the direction of the sound. He entered the factory. He entered the factory. Tired, hungry, poor and shabby clothes, he entered the factory. The owner saw him. Coincidentally, the owner saw him. He felt sure that the red trap peddler was one of his old regimental comrades, Captain Von Stubble. Captain Von Stubble, the factory owner, thought that he is the soldier which was heard in newspaper. He invited the peddler to go home with him for Christmas. Considering him a respectable soldier, Captain Von Stubble, the factory owner, invited him to his home for Christmas. But the peddler thought that it was risky to accept the invitation. But the peddler knew himself that he is somehow mistaken. Such a big rich man inviting me to his home for Christmas. So he was alarmed. No. Okay. Going further, he firmly declined the invitation. He firmly declined the invitation. The the ironmaster sent his daughter Idla to persuade the red trap seller to come home. She talked to him lovingly, mistaken him for Captain Von Stable. The peddler agreed to go with her. He thought that stealing of money had put him in the rat trap. The ironmaster was happy to receive him at his home. He planned to give him some respectable work. The servant cut the peddler's hair, shaved him, and bathed him. The peddler was wearing a nice suit given by the ironmaster. When the ironmaster saw him in broad daylight, he realized that he had made a mistake. The peddler was not Captain Von Stable. He thought that the man has deceived him. Friends, the summary is continued, but considering the time limit, we just explain to this extent. He firmly declined the invitation. He was knowing, I am not Captain Von Stable. They are thinking so. Result, consequences will not be good. So he firmly declined the invitation. The ironmaster means factory owner. Ironmaster means factory owner. The ironmaster sent his daughter Ella to persuade the rat trap peddler to come home. The factory owner thought that the captain is shy, so he is not coming to home. So he sent his daughter to persuade him. She talked to him lovingly, mistaken him for Captain Von Stable. Dr. Edla also believed him to be kept on one stable, so she spoke to him very lovingly. The peddler agreed to go with her. The peddler was hungry, was tired, agreed to go with her. He thought that stealing of money had put him in the rat trap. He was already thinking that the world is a rat trap and all the humans are the trapped rat. Now he was repenting for stealing the money because it had put him into a rat trap. The iron master was happy to receive him at home. At last he came home. He was happy. He planned to give him some respectable work. He had a factory. He planned to give him some respectable work, thinking him kept on one stable. The servant cut the peddler's hair, shaved him, and bathed him. Rat trap seller was a poor, shabby man. Hair were cut, shaving was done, and he was given a bath. The peddler was wearing a nice suit given by iron master. Nice cloth he was wearing. When the iron master saw him in broad daylight, when the factory owner next day saw him in broad daylight, he realized that he had made a mistake. This man was not kept in one stable. Now it was very clear. After the bath was given, after shaving was done, after hair were cut, it was very clear that he was not kept in one stable. The peddler was not kept in one stable. He thought that the man had deceived him. Rat trap peddler had not deceived him. He never said that he was kept on one stable. He was not ready to go to the factory owner's home. But the factory owner himself believed that the man had deceived him. Okay, friends, we shall continue in the next lecture.